And the girls some clean water. That stuff's an additive that we put in it called 911 Rescue. Anyway, you guys got some clean water, plenty of food. I've already given them their treats. This beautiful tree. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? What's wrong, Bronco? You can't go play with the cats. You can't go play with the cats. You can't play with the cats. Uh-oh, AJ's out here getting in trouble. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. AJ's out here getting in trouble. What? I was thinking to say, AJ, get over here. AJ. That little bugger goes right across the street. AJ. See, he's deaf now. Don't know his name. Peeing on somebody else's tree. AJ! Look, there's a little robin in the road. There's Dasher drinking out of the ditch water. Hi, Dasher. You watching the water run past? I'm gonna put a little stick in here. Oh, I got stuck. I got stuck. Dasher, don't go across the road. Dasher. No. No. That's a good boy. How come your hair's all messed up? Where'd AJ run off to? Here's the garden. Pretty sure this is a pumpkin. Because I kept throwing pumpkin seeds right here. That's a pumpkin. This is some weird collard or something. Anyway, that big sunflower. You get out of my garden. I think it's a good spot to go to the bathroom. There's my mater plant. And my corn. Finally coming up. And the weeds. Every day. I pull buckets and buckets of weeds for the chickens. What in the world? That looks like a deer print. I'm serious, that looks just like a deer print. If I had deer in the garden. Look at that, that's a deer print. They better not be eating my mater plants. Look at these roses over here. Look at those two meatheads. I'm gonna have to go get the water. Regulate. Look how beautiful. Oh, and they smell so yummy. Mmm. Get the water. Get the water. That's crazy. I have deer footprints in my garden. If there's one, there should be another. Alright. Got some zucchini, some peppers. Some radishes down here. Some turnips. Anywhere where there was dirt, I put a seed in the ground. Yes, I did. There's my sunflowers. It's so warm that... Let me show you my sunflower. Look how pretty. I got them lined up down the driveway. And then I just want corn to border my garden. Look at AJ clear down the road. Water. And then I had this beautiful rose when it was so hot. Yesterday, oh, let me zoom it back out. It's purple and red. It's called the Barbara Streisand rose. But the heat really does a number on them. Alright. There's my little garden update. Things are growing. Happy Monday.